Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your Instagram profile. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To add music to your Instagram profile, tap on the Instagram app and open it. Then tap on your profile. Tap on Edit Profile option. Then tap Add Music to your profile. Tap on the plus sign to pick a song for your profile. Now we can browse songs from down here or search for a specific song. Tap on the play button to hear a preview of the song. Tap on the song name to select it. You can then select what portion of the song should play on your profile by sliding the selector at the bottom. Tap on the Done button when you're done. Now tap on Done again to add it to your profile. Now go back. The song you have selected now will be visible under your bio. Tap on the play button to hear your new profile music. If you want to remove or change the profile song, tap on it and then you will have the options. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Instant Nerd.